Hey, how you doing, guys? It's Pedro here from Conexo. Here we are in a joint job here in Miramar. We're gonna take out all these pavers. We're gonna do concrete, and we're gonna do some designs on it. We're gonna stain it. So all of that is going away. We're gonna do planters there. We're gonna do a wall concrete here. As you can see, we're gonna take that out. All of that is going out. It's gonna have 6 inches of concrete. Okay. So all the way here, the concrete's gonna go all the way here. All the way here in the back. We're gonna take all this out completely. We're gonna clean here. We're gonna put concrete all the way here. We're gonna extend it. We're gonna extend it all the way here. We're gonna take that out. We're gonna take all these pavers out, the pool deck. And we're gonna do the coping, new coping, but we're gonna do a part of the concrete. And yeah, we should be here about a month and a half when everything's done and finished. But we're gonna do big concrete squares here, and then we're gonna stain it also. It should be good. Yeah, thank you. Hey guys, it's Pedro here from Conexo. Here I'm in Miramar in a project that I'm doing. We did a lot of things here. I'm gonna show you. We poured this concrete from start to finish. And as you can see, we cut it because we're gonna do designs on it. So we cut it here. We did a border all around it. We did a border, and then we also did some diamonds here that we're gonna stain afterwards too. And it's gonna have like a border with another diamond over there. And here also we're doing a concrete wall with design, as you can see. So it's gonna almost finish there, the rebar. So it's gonna look like that. 4 inches of concrete. Okay, with this, and in the middle 3 feet, 4 inches of concrete. As you can see here, we did a design on it that the owner wanted to do. The turtle. It's coming out really nice. We try this because we're gonna grind this. You can see also we did this here. We did about 5 inches of concrete here. We extended because it was before it was really small. So we extended it. As you can see. Pumping water all these days. We also did a design there. Total. The owner wanted it. You can see that's a stamp. Okay, we're gonna do cuts. We started doing the cuts already. Just haven't finished it yet. Gonna put the rocks on it. We did some diamonds here. 3 diamonds. And we also extended. It used to be here in the edge of the house. That's how it was before. So we extended it about 15 feet. And then we did this step up. It's very nice. It came out really nice. It took a month to prepare. But it's very, very nice. It's about 2 feet tall of concrete here compared to over there 5 inches. That's how the slope was. As you can see, we're looking at slope. As you can see here, this came out really nice. We cut this, and then we also did this here, concrete squares. Came out fantastic. Really came out nice. Everyone's really happy. Cut this here and cut it here. There's a big slab here. This was we had to put this before. Okay, so it's been here about a month and a half. We did a design there. I wanted it, and it comes right here, all the way to the front. Really, really nice. Yeah, stick around for more things. It's better here for the next video. We are ready to pour this wall that look very nice. Can't understand. I have like about 90 bags of concrete. It's gonna look like that. We just do by hand because the pump is just too fast. We don't want to create so much tension, even though this is very strong. We're gonna do it in once feet at a time, so it doesn't create tension. Just gonna have the drainage there. It look very nice again.